not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. I have launched a giveaway for our valuable subscribers. First lucky winner of the giveaway was announced yesterday. If you want to participate in the giveaway, just follow the 5 instructions mentioned in the giveaway video. We'll announce the second lucky winner coming Tuesday. Now let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. Let's start. Who is appointed as the 25th governor of the RBI? Shakti Kanta Das, Vairulacharya, N.S. Vishwanathan or B.P. Kanungo? The answer is A. Shakti Kanta Das. Very important, the newly appointed 25th governor of the RBI. He is a 1980 batch Tamil Nadu cadre IAS officer, a history graduate from St. Stephen's, Delhi, retired as Economic Affairs Secretary in 2017, and he has done well in each and every assignment that he has handled so far. Who is the first Indian governor of the Reserve Bank of India? You need to remember this, C.D. Deshmukh. And which commission recommended the government to create a central bank called Reserve Bank of India? It is Hilton Young Commission. So remember all these points. Very important, previously asked. BJP had lost in which of the following major states of India? Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. BJP had lost 3 major BJP ruling states to Congress. The ex-Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh of BJP, is the longest serving Chief Minister from BJP, ruled for almost 15 years in Chhattisgarh, and the ex-Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Vasundhara Raje, from BJP, served as a Chief Minister twice, and the ex-Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, served as a Chief Minister thrice. So huge setback for the BJP in these states. What is the party symbol of Telangana Rashtra Samiti? Elephant, sickle, car or cycle? The answer is C, car. Now India has the largest number of political parties in the world with almost 6 national parties and around 50 state parties. You need to know the political parties along with the party symbols. Very important from exam point of view and one expected question. Anyhow, you know the national parties and their symbols. Now you need to know about the regional parties who play a vital role in the national politics. TRS was founded on 27th of April 2001. In 2018 Assembly elections, TRS won with almost 88 seats, whereas in 2014 elections, TRS secured 63 seats. Now, major setback for the Congress-led People's Front in the state of Telangana, as the alliance with TDP had cost them so much this time. Telugu Desam Party was founded in which year? 1985, 1980, 1982 or 1983? The answer is C, 1982. TDP was founded by N.T. Rama Rao in 1982. It is the first non-Congress government in the United Andhra Pradesh. The current Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, opposed the formation of Telangana earlier. Now in 2018 Assembly elections, he campaigns along with the Congress in the state of Telangana. Many people believe that had he stayed away from the campaign in Telangana, the results would have been different. Supreme Court of India bars electronic print media and social media not to reveal identity of which of the following persons? Rape victims, criminals, corrupted officials or none of the above? The answer is A, rape victims. The Supreme Court bars disclosure of identity of rape victims even after the death. Many channels sensationalize the rape cases for increasing their TRPs. The Supreme Court says no person can print or publish in print, electronic or social media etc. the name of the victim or reveal the identity of the victims. Now in India, most of the cases, if we observe, the victims are targeted and the culprits are left scot-free. So therefore, the society's attitude towards the rape victims needs to be changed. Supreme Court declares how many kilometers area under national parks as eco-sensitive zones? 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers or 20 kilometers? The answer is B, 10 kilometers. Supreme Court declares the area of 10 kilometers under national parks as eco-sensitive. Now these eco-sensitive zones are notified by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, by Government of India around protected areas, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Times Person of the Year 2018 honors people belonging to which of the following category? Journalist, politicians, actors or scientist? The answer is A, journalist. Now under the name The Guardians, the Time magazine names the series of journalists as the Times Person of the Year for the year 2018. Now all these journalists are honored as they stood up for the truth in the face of persecution and violence. Now, the first one is Jamal Khashoggi. You can see to the left side of the picture. He has been killed inside the Saudi consulate in Istanbul. The next one is the Capital Gazette, a newspaper of victims. 4 journalists and sales assistant were killed by a gunman at the Maryland at the Capital Gazette. The next one is the 2 Reuters journalists who were imprisoned in Myanmar after investigating a massacre of Rohingya Muslims. And the right side picture is Maria Ressa, who has been critical of the government of Philippines President Rodrigo. So remember, the Times Person of the Year 2018 is The Guardians. It honors the journalist. Let's see the question for the day. Which state has the highest number of international airports in India? Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala or Madhya Pradesh? Mention your answers in the comment section. We have already discussed about this airport in this particular state. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Identify the wrongly matched pairs. I have mentioned you the political parties along with their established years. The INC 1885, CPI 1925, BJP 1980 and the TRS is 2002. The answer is TRS. The TRS was founded in the year 2001 and not in 2002. And the BJP was founded in 1980. Don't get confused, as BJS, Bharatiya Jansangh, was founded in 1951 and Bharatiya Janata Party was founded in 1980. Do participate in the giveaway. Follow the instructions mentioned in the giveaway video. So this is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.